Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.